My name's Christian. Nice to meet you. Which one is it? This one here?
Yeah, the keys is in the cup holder.
In the cup holder. Let's take a look. Alrighty. Getting caught here. All right. I'm just gonna get my tools out before we pop it. We don't want to open it with the pressure on the door. Okay, there you go. All right.
To the Apple Pay?
Correct. Yeah, like the tap on the side.
Okay.
I appreciate your time. Do you have any questions before I go?
No, thank you.
Cool. Awesome. All right. You have a good one.